Hi, I'm Cameron, and thank you for purchasing my Laravel certification course. As I'm sure you already know, Laravel is one of the fastest growing frameworks in PHP and it's a highly sought after skill. You can see lots of employers are actively looking for candidates who can demonstrate that they have the skill set to build and understand applications written in Laravel. One of the best ways you can demonstrate this is becoming a Laravel certified developer. This is the goal for this course, to help you prepare yourself to take the Laravel certification exam and set yourself apart from the competition. Part 1 of this course will cover installation, configuration, routing, middleware, controllers, requests, and responses, where we'll cover what's in the documentation using coding examples, and provide tests at the end of each section to reinforce what we are learning. You should use this course in a combination with the Laravel documentation to help you pass the exam. As of the date of this course, the exam is currently based on Laravel 5.5 LTS. This is great because the LTS equals long-term support, meaning this version will be around for a while. However, if at the time of watching this course the exam has changed to a newer version, then the information contained here should be mostly applicable to future versions of the exam. Just make sure to read the release notes on the version of Laravel you are studying to see any changes that might have occurred. For example, Laravel 5.6 is the most up-to-date version from Laravel, but it is not the version covered in the exam. As such, we'll be covering version 5.5 LTS. It hasn't been made clear what versions the exam board will choose in the future, but it seems likely they will stick with the LTS versions. A little history about me. I'm a PHP developer with over 10 years experience, both within the United States and the United Kingdom. I'm a Zen PHP 7.1 certified engineer, and I'm a Laravel certified developer, so I've passed the exam. To get the most from this course, I highly recommend spending at least 20 minutes a day learning. Watch the videos, take the quizzes, and practice. Again, thank you for purchasing my course. If you have any questions, please post a message and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.